Hey there, fellow money savers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make the most out of a $10,000 salary. Yes, you heard that right. We're about to uncover some fantastic strategies that will help you not only survive but thrive on your income. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, smash that like button and let's get started. 1. Budgeting basics. Alright, folks, it all starts with budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. List down all your monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and entertainment. Allocate a specific amount to each category and stick to it religiously. By keeping track of your spending, you'll be amazed at how much you can save without even realizing it. 2. The power of thrift shopping. Thrifting, the ultimate hack for fashionistas on a budget. Instead of splurging on brand new clothes, explore thrift stores for amazing finds. You won't believe the high-quality items you can score at a fraction of the price. Not only is it a sustainable choice, but it also leaves more money in your wallet for the things that truly matter. 3. Cooking at home. Let's talk about one of the biggest money drains: eating out. Cooking at home not only allows you to control what goes into your meals but also slashes your food expenses significantly. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and stick to it. Not only is homemade food healthier, but it's also a budget-friendly way to satisfy your taste buds. 4. Emergency fund prioritization. Life is full of surprises, and that's why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Before you start saving for anything else, ensure you have a cushion to fall back on during unexpected times. Even if it's a small amount from each paycheck, it adds up over time and provides you with peace of mind. 5. Invest in yourself. Never underestimate the power of investing in yourself. Education and personal development are keys to unlocking better opportunities and higher income in the future. Set aside a portion of your salary for online courses, workshops, or books that enhance your skills and knowledge. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the job market. 6. Community sharing. Being part of a supportive community can make all the difference. Consider sharing resources with neighbors or friends, like carpooling to work or swapping items you no longer need. Collaborative efforts can lead to significant savings and build stronger bonds within your community. There you have it, savvy savers. Our top tips on how to make the most of a $10,000 salary. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. By budgeting wisely, embracing thriftiness, cooking at home, building an emergency fund, investing in yourself, and fostering community connections, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money-saving insights. Until next time, keep hustling and saving. Before you go, check out these awesome videos we've curated just for you. And as always, thank you for watching.